Thinking about turning your unused internet into cold hard cash with Honeygain, but wondering if it's legit and safe? Let's dive deep and unpack Honeygain's safety, covering data privacy, security protocols, payout consistency, user testimonials, and potential downsides to help you decide if the passive income is worth it. First, let's discuss your data. Honeygain claims they only collect what's necessary for the service: your email address, IP address, and chosen payout method. They state they don't track your browsing activity or collect personal data beyond what's essential. However, it's still crucial to read their privacy policy thoroughly. Security measures are key. Honeygain uses encryption and claims to not partner with companies that have questionable ethics. Your traffic is used by businesses for web intelligence, content delivery, and similar purposes. While they vet their partners, remember that no system is 100% foolproof. What about user reviews? Across platforms like Trustpilot and Reddit, you'll find mixed opinions. Some users report consistent payouts and smooth operation. Others complain about slow earning rates, occasional technical glitches, or concerns about the impact on their internet speed. Do your research and compare the reviews to create your own opinion. Finally, payout reliability and potential risks. Honeygain generally pays out as promised, but earnings can be quite low and fluctuate depending on your location and internet speed. The biggest risk is sharing your internet connection, however minimally, with third parties. Weigh the potential rewards against your comfort level with this risk. Remember to do your own in-depth research and assess your own comfort level with sharing your internet bandwidth.